just walked back.
He just walked back.
He just walked by. Hey, put that around your neck. Back away from the doors a little bit so they have room to egress from the doors.
That's funny as hell.
I'm an editing machine, man. I edit like nobody's business.
Okay, so the cop went back in, so I'm going to turn this